Hello, boys and girls. Today for session 9 writing, we are going to learn talking right to readers. We're going to be writing a review in either a place or a show or a thing and using reasons to show your opinion. So last night I was watching TV and I saw this commercial. It was about a milkshake. Watch.
Grill Mark Shake. Whether it's one of our award-winning and house-made milkshakes, our freak shakes topped with ice cream, whipped cream, and tasty treats, or a spiked shake tail or beer shake, Grill Marks has the best shakes around.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Okay, and just by looking at that commercial, I knew what it was, where to go, and when to go. Just by that little commercial, and really convinced me to get a milkshake. So today's teaching point is review writers include important information to convince their reasons. One way to do this is to use a voice that talks right to the readers, explaining what your topic is, where to find it, and when to go. All right? And the word convince means to make a person to believe or agree by using reasons. Just by watching that commercial, I was already convinced that I needed to get that milkshake. And it gave me a lot of information. It told me what it was, where to go, and when to go. And that's really important when you're trying to convince someone to think what you're thinking, to agree what you're thinking. So these are different review topics that you could choose from. I know it's a little overwhelming, but take a minute to think about, pick a thing that you would like to write a review. You could write a review on movies. These are different movie examples. These are different games that you could write a review on. Restaurants, stores, and other topics too. Now today you're going to pick one of these and you're going to write a review on it, just like what I just showed you. Okay? Doesn't have to be what it says here. It could be your opinion on anything else. So if you're thinking of a different movie that's not here, you could write about that. It's your choice. These are just different examples to help you pick something. So you could pick a movie. For example, you could write about Frozen, a review about Frozen. You could write about games, Minecraft, Roblox. You could write about a favorite restaurant that you go to. You could write about different stores like Walmart, Costco, Target. Or you could also write about two YouTubers, the best pet, Netflix, China, or another country. These are different topics you could pick. So today you're going to pick one topic and you are going to write a review. So this is my review on Dunkin' Donuts. And watch how I write my review. Did you know donuts are amazing snacks? If you love sweets, then you must go to Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts is amazing because there are many different flavors of donuts with delicious toppings. You can find Dunkin' Donuts in almost every neighborhood in Brooklyn. You can also go there at any time in the morning and even after school with your friends. So I have my introduction, like something like, oh, did you know, or have you ever went? So that's your introduction. You continue, and this is where you could talk to your reader, saying if you love sweets and you must go to Dunkin' Donuts, you want to convince them to go. And then you tell them what it is, okay? What is your topic? Dunkin' Donuts is a place, right? So I'm going to talk about it is a place that sells many different flavored donuts with delicious toppings. Also, I show that where you could find Dunkin' Donuts. So you could find Dunkin' Donuts in every neighborhood. And also when to go. You could go in the morning, you could go at night. So these are different. This is an example of a review about Dunkin' Donuts. So let's go back to the topic. Now you could write about movies, like what it is, where to go watch the movie, and when can you watch the movie. Same thing for games. Restaurants, you could talk about where is it, what is this restaurant, what do they sell, when can you go to this restaurant, where can you go to this restaurant. Stores also, and other topics. So I want you to think about these. I'm going to give you a few minutes to pick one of these. Make this a little smaller for you. I want you to pick one right now. If it's not here, you could think of your own. Your restaurant is, I don't know, a different restaurant that's not here, like Burger King. you could pick Burger King. If your store's like your 99-cent store, or if there's a movie that you really love that's not here, you could pick whatever topic you want, as long you follow what it is, when can you go, and where can you go. All right, so this is what the review writing format should look like. So you should have an introduction. Did you know, or have you ever went to? This is like you're talking to the reader, trying to get their attention to read your writing. The next line is, what is your opinion? So like my thing is, I think Dunkin' Donuts is the best. Okay, so this is where you have introduction, then you write your opinion. Then after are the details. What is your topic about? Like, what is your movie or a restaurant or a store about? Where can you go? To where can you watch this movie? You could watch this movie right in your living room, or you could go to the movie theaters, or you could go to McDonald's in many streets in Brooklyn. That depends on what topic you have. And when can you go or do it? Okay, so this is a format where you must follow to write your review writing. So starting reviews. Now today you're going to start a new review. You're going to pick your topic. So you're going to go back to this page, and it's going to help you start your writing. Okay, write your introduction, your opinion, and your details. And you write about what is your topic about, where can you find it, where can you do it, when can you go, and when can you do it. And if you're not sure, you can always go back to my example to help you with your writing. Okay? If you have any questions, you can always leave a message. Thank you.